Now, because we are using the same email template for resending activation link as well as sending the first one together with a password and username, obviously we need to amend it slightly to check whether the password is provided or not. So I'm just going to copy this password variable here and check PHP if is an empty password, then display this bit. Otherwise, we're not going to display anything, so we just close this if statement here, and that's everything. So obviously, when we are resending the activation link, sorry, I've forgotten about one important thing, obviously here as well. We need to, if I just put this BR on a new line, and I'm just going to take this line and put it inside of this if statement as well, because depending on this, obviously, you're not going to be sending your login details as follow and then do not display it. And then closing paragraph tag we're going to place after this if statement. So that's all done. If we now save the template and open the classes folder, open our email class, what we need to do here is add another property, public object URL, and obviously we pass in the URL this time to the constructor, so by default null, and the same situation as before. We just go for this object URL equals is object URL, use it, otherwise instantiate new URL class. So that's it. Now if we scroll down to our process method, we need to obviously amend our URLs here as well. So what we're going to do is semicolon after this one, and what I'm going to do is remove this whole thing. Let's keep this hash here. I'm going to concatenate it with link dot equals and then site underscore URL, then dot this object URL href, and now we're going to pass activate, then array code, then comma, and then our hash. So I just go and cut this, paste it here, and then semicolon obviously. Then we have closing a tag, which is all good. Now let's copy this entire thing because we need to paste it here as well in between the opening and closing a tag, obviously display the link. So that's it, and our email class is now completed. So we can save it, close it, and move to the next video.